You laughing at me, boy? I don't see you doing nothing with it.
I'm going with
You can't go with me. You do it. Can't go two people on there. You go. It ain't for two people, boy.
Henry's trying to cheat.
Yeah, you're trying to cheat. Oh.
One foot.
Dad!
1 foot. Not 2 feet, 1 foot.
How do you think you're gonna ride it, Henry? You need
Gotta get a push off with 1 foot.
remember 1 foot on and run with the other. There you go.
Yay!
Now you put both feet on there after you get going good. Oh.
Good job, Henry.
What is that?
I don't know. Ride your scooter, Henry.